Good morning, everyone. It is 12:13 in the morning and Jake and I are getting ready to leave Disney World. So I'm definitely feeling very sad, but before we leave, I thought it would be cool to give you guys a quick room tour of our room here at All Star Movies Resort. This room is in Fantasia Block 8. It's room number 8818, and it's actually an accessible room on the second floor. Jake and I don't need an accessible room, but it's what they had available, so we ended up with it. Let me go outside and I will enter with my MagicBand and I'll show you around. Once you enter through the door, you are immediately in the hotel room. So first thing on your right when you walk in is a big window. We've actually kept this shut the entire time, and we just have our luggage and stuff here for the time being. The thermostat, when we first got here, only went down to 68, so maintenance had to come in and adjust it so it can go down to 65. Then this wardrobe looking thing right here is actually a queen bed that pulls out from the wall. Then directly to the left of that table bed is the main bed, which Jake and I made this. Don't worry, housekeeping doesn't leave the bed looking like this. But you have Mickey and Friends portrait on the wall with two lights. Each have their own light switch on the sides of the queen bed. Of course, standard telephone, and then across from the bed you have your TV. This dresser has some storage. Of course, the safe, there was also one of the pillows down here when we got here, and then 3 drawers. Moving along to this area, it's kind of like a little coffee bar. This came stocked with cups, ice bucket, coffee maker, and fridge. Then there's more storage along here. So my family is actually staying at this resort as well, and one thing, or the biggest thing that was different between the regular room that my parents have and our accessible room was kind of how this was configured, as well as the bathroom right here. This door is a soft close sliding door, which is really nice, but it takes a little bit to open it. So here's the bathroom, and again, we've been here for a few days, so this is not clean by any means. And the bathroom will come stocked with towels, of course, but toilet, of course. Then ironing board on the wall. This was stocked with toilet paper and such, but then an iron and a hair dryer. On the right side of the bathroom, we have the illuminated mirror, which I absolutely love, as well as a bathtub with our used towels right there. So in my mom's non-accessible room, her sink configuration was a little bit different and it wasn't as deep. So it looks like this is designed for a wheelchair to pull right up to it, whereas the non-accessible rooms don't have that. And then her shower also has a glass door. How's it going?
It's going all right. You like my garbage?
Yes.
It's mine.
So I thought we could quickly pull down the bed so everyone can see what it looks like. These chairs are oddly heavy. They're made of metal, so if you wanted to steal one, you can't do that. Ready? This does take a little bit of oomph as well. But here is the second queen bed.
Get the light switch.
Ta-da! Now Jake and I are going to try to get a little bit of sleep before our mirror shuttle comes to pick us up at 2:55. I am so sad. We had such a fun trip, but this was a super busy trip, so even though we had a great time, I am ready to get home. But if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be posting more videos about this Universal and Disney trip to Orlando. You can also find me on Instagram at PandaBunny Parks. Thank you so much for joining me today for this hotel room tour, and I will see you in my next video.
Should I hide in the bathroom?
With the trash.
So I'm like the trash. I should hide in the bathroom with the trash because I am like trash.
You're not the trash. I just don't want anyone to see the trash.
Yeah, sure.
Make sure you shut the door, please.